Most people live as open books. They broadcast their intentions, their habits, their next moves. They are predictable, and predictability is a self-imposed prison, a cage whose bars are forged by routine, and one that others will use to control you. But what if you could step outside that cage? What if you became the riddle everyone was desperate to solve? Before we learn how, we must first understand the true cost of being an open book. We are taught to share, to be transparent. They call it authenticity, but this relentless exposure has a hidden cost. It makes you dangerously predictable. Humans are pattern-seeking creatures. We find comfort in the predictable because it gives us the illusion of control. When your rivals, your colleagues, even your friends can anticipate your every reaction, you are no longer a person. You are a known quantity. You become easy to manage, easy to dismiss, and worst of all, easy to manipulate. In the theater of power, predictability is a fatal flaw. When your team knows you will always be the one to absorb extra work, who gets the late-night call? When a negotiator knows your limits before the conversation even begins, have you not already lost? The strategist Robert Greene observed that humans, like animals, are hunted through their patterns. A predator learns the gazelle's path to the waterhole because the gazelle never deviates. In the social wilderness, the same law applies. Your habits, your routines, your consistent emotional responses, these are the paths to your waterhole. When others know these paths, they know precisely where to set their traps. Do you ever feel taken for granted because your kindness is assumed? Are your ideas dismissed because your thought process is already known? You surrender your leverage because your reactions have become a script. The person who is an open book is playing chess with all their pieces exposed, and then they wonder why they are always in checkmate. The world does not reward those who are easiest to read. It rewards those who keep it guessing. By being an open book, you are not being authentic. You are being strategically naive. You are giving away the very power that is yours to wield. So what is the antidote to this fatal flaw? Well, the antidote to predictability is mystery. It is the deliberate art of becoming an enigma, not by being false, but by being selective, deep, and strategically unknowable. This is not merely a social tactic. It is a psychological principle, hardwired into the human mind. Mystery works because it hijacks our innate curiosity. Our minds are novelty-seeking engines. Think of the way a story ending on a cliffhanger can occupy your thoughts for days. This is known as the Zeigarnik effect, a psychological phenomenon observed by Bluma Zeigarnik, which suggests we remember incomplete tasks far better than completed ones. A person who reveals everything is a finished story, read once and forgotten. But a mysterious person is an unfinished narrative. People cannot stop turning the pages in their minds, desperate to know what comes next. This mental obsession is fueled by a powerful neurotransmitter, dopamine. Scientists have found that novelty and unpredictability trigger a dopamine release in the brain's reward circuits. This is the same chemical that drives our hunger for food, success, and love. Crucially, dopamine is not just about the pleasure of a reward. It is about the intense, motivating anticipation of it. The unpredictable person keeps others in a state of constant anticipation. Every interaction is charged with possibility, making people crave the next piece of the puzzle. You become neurologically compelling. This is the foundation of Robert Greene's 17th law of power. Keep others in suspense. Cultivate an air of unpredictability. He argues that just as a sudden storm inspires a primal fear, an unpredictable person generates a subtle sense of respect. Your opponents are kept off balance, forced to react to you instead of acting on you. While they are busy trying to solve you, you are free to pursue your own agenda. Think of mystery as a form of social gravity. The denser an object, the more powerfully it pulls others into its orbit. By cultivating an inner world that is not on immediate display, you create a psychological density. People are not just drawn to you, they are compelled by a force they cannot name. You cease to be another person in the room. You become the puzzle. But does this principle actually work in the real world? History is filled with figures who understood that true power is not brute force but calculated chaos. They did not just accept unpredictability, they weaponized it. Consider Napoleon Bonaparte. His military genius stemmed not from the size of his army but from his psychological warfare. He consistently baffled his enemies by moving his troops in ways that defied military doctrine. He would feign a retreat only to launch a devastating surprise attack, or march his forces at speeds his enemies deemed impossible, appearing exactly where he was least expected. He cultivated an aura of terrifying unpredictability that paralyzed his opponents. They were always guessing, and in their hesitation, Napoleon claimed his victory. But this principle is not confined to the battlefield. Who holds the true influence in an office? The manager whose reactions you can predict before a meeting even starts? Or the leader who listens intently, whose thoughts are unreadable, and who occasionally offers a perspective from an entirely unexpected angle? It is the second one. Their unpredictability commands attention and respect. It forces you to be sharper because you cannot rely on assumptions. This dynamic exists far beyond the boardroom. Look at Steve Jobs. He was a master of corporate mystique. The legendary secrecy surrounding Apple's product launches was a masterclass in wielding unpredictability. While others leaked details to build hype, Jobs created an information vacuum. This void became a canvas onto which the public projected its wildest hopes, turning each product reveal into an electrifying cultural event. Jobs himself carefully curated an aura of authority and mystery over many years. Even in the art world, mystery is currency. The Baroque painter Caravaggio was as famous for his volatile, unpredictable life as for his stunning art. Known for brawling and wanted for murder, his life was a storm of chaos. This personal enigma, the darkness that seemed to fuel his brilliant and dramatic art, made him a legend that continues to fascinate us centuries later. These figures teach us a critical lesson. Their unpredictability was not random, it was strategic. They understood that to control the game, you must control the narrative. And the most powerful narrative is the one nobody sees coming. The question is, how do you learn to write one for yourself? Strategic unpredictability is not about fabricating a persona. It is about mastering the flow of information and defying expectations. It is a skill refined through practice. It begins with mastering strategic silence. In our frantic world, there is pressure to fill every empty moment, but you must resist it. Understand that what you do not say often carries more weight than what you do. When you speak less, your words gain gravity, and people lean in. Let others reveal their positions first. That thoughtful pause is a display of immense control, and it sets the stage for you to deliberately shatter your patterns. Become a student of your own predictability. Do you always agree in meetings? Do you always respond to messages within seconds? Identify these routines, and then intentionally break one. This is not about being unreliable. It is about demonstrating versatility. If you are known for being quiet, find a strategic moment to deliver a well-reasoned argument. If you are known for cold logic, share an insight rooted in intuition. Each broken pattern adds a new layer to your identity, but the key is to reveal, never explain. A mysterious person is not a brick wall. They are a veiled temple. You offer glimpses, not the entire landscape. This approach allows you to cultivate a contradictory nature, which is where true fascination lies. The most compelling people blend presence, power, and warmth in unexpected ways. Be warm and empathetic while making a firm and powerful decision. Be intensely present, yet maintain an air of inner distance. This fusion makes you impossible to label. The final layer of this is to develop an unseen skill or interest that exists in stark contrast to your public persona. The quiet accountant, who is a master of martial arts. The fierce litigator who writes poetry. These contradictions shatter the simple boxes people place you in. They force others to acknowledge that they only know a fraction of your story, creating a powerful allure that makes them wonder what other secrets you hold. But as you wield this new power, there is a dark side you must avoid at all costs. It is crucial to draw a sharp line here. There is a vast difference between being mysterious and being manipulative. The art of unpredictability is a tool for earning respect, not for exploiting others. When mystery is stripped of warmth and empathy, it curdles into a toxin. We have all met this person, the one who plays mind games to feel powerful, someone who uses inconsistency to deceive, control, or belittle others is not a master of mystery. They are simply a source of poison. The goal is never to make people feel insecure for your own gratification or to hide malicious intent. Manipulators use tactics like gaslighting and deception to cause harm, not to build intrigue. True power is born of quiet confidence, not a desperate need to dominate. The goal is to be compelling, not controlling. The foundation of this entire philosophy must be authenticity. The mystery is in the pacing of how you reveal your true self, not in the performance of a false one. Understanding this distinction is the final key to reclaiming your personal power. We live in an age that worships transparency, but in doing so, it conditions us to become predictable, manageable, and weak. To reclaim your agency, you must reclaim your mystery. You must reject the notion that you owe the world an open book. Predictability is a cage of your own making. Unpredictability is the key that unlocks it. It is the freedom to define yourself on your own terms, to keep the world guessing, and to move through life with a quiet power. Stop broadcasting your next move. Start cultivating your depths. Become the unsolved puzzle, the unfinished story. Because true power never belongs to the loudest person in the room. It belongs to the calm. It belongs to the restrained. It belongs to the unpredictable. If this spoke to you, you are not part of the crowd. You are one of the rare few who refuse to live as an open book. Mark your presence in the comments with a single line that feels true to you, or keep it in silence and let the mystery speak for you. Either way, you have stepped into the path of power. And if you want to see how far it goes, stay with us, because the next chapter will take you deeper into the Machiavellian philosophy of power and influence, where strategy is sharpened into art and silence becomes a weapon.